Good evening. Anything that we discuss is going to be for educational purposes. I'd like to welcome you all to Digital Trading Floor. It's a platform where we disseminate financial data in real time to provide actionable insights. The purpose for making this video is to provide an outlook for what is likely to happen on Monday, 26th July. We would be analyzing Nifty options, open interest data. We would be analyzing Nifty index on multiple time frames, and we would also be discussing our stock watch list for Monday, that is 26th July. But first, we are going to start by analyzing Nifty options open interest data. So here you will see for 29th July monthly expiry contract, highest amount of open interest in call strike is at 16,000 strike, followed by 15,900 strike. So going forward, 16,000 as well as 15,900 are going to act as strong resistances in the market. And if we see the put strikes, highest amount of open interest is at 15,800 strike, followed by 15,700 strike. So going forward, 15,700 as well as 15,800 are likely to act as a strong support in the market. And if we see highest amount of open interest addition on Friday, it happened at 16,000 call strike, and you will also observe that 15,600, 15,650, 15,700, 15,750 call strikes, they saw their open interest reduce. So it tells us that call option buyers of these strikes, they book their profits, and call option writers of these strikes, they book their losses. And if we see the puts, highest amount of open interest additions happened at 15,800 strike. If we analyze the index on multiple time frames, you will see that on the monthly time frame, market is under control of buyers above the opening trend of monthly candle, which is at 15,755 levels. And if we see the weekly time frame, market opened above 15,754 levels. It closed above the weekly open. So on both the time frame, monthly as well as the weekly, market was under control of buyers. And if we see the daily time frame, you will see that we have been making higher high and higher low on the index, and market closed slightly below the opening price. But we can say that on Friday we had an indecision as market formed a doji type candlestick, and based on the price structure we get the following scenario for Monday. Above 15,856 levels, we can potentially trade towards 15,899 levels, 15,934 levels, and potentially 15,979 levels. And aggressive traders can also look for selling opportunities below 15,791 levels, followed by 15,768 levels, 15,733 levels, and potentially 15,688 levels below 15,791 level. And the neutral price range for Monday is 15,856 to 15,791, in which one can refrain from making any trades on the index. And on Monday, two new time frames are going to open, the weekly time frame as well as the daily time frame. So based on the opening print of the weekly as well as the daily opening candle, we'll look to see whether price trades above 15,856 or it trades lower 15,856. So based on that, we would be looking for opportunities on Monday. Above 15,856 we have already discussed, and the neutral price range till 15,791 one can refrain from making any trades. That is in between 15,856 to 15,791 levels on the index. If we analyze our stock watch list for Monday, the stocks that we have chosen, they have all formed an inside candlestick pattern on the daily time frame, and inside candles are formed whenever there is an equilibrium between both the buyers and the sellers, and we look to establish a position if either side of the range breaks. Our first stock is HDFC Life. It's in a downtrend based on 5 and 20-day exponential moving averages. So we can look for selling opportunity below 661.7 levels. However, aggressive traders can also look for buying opportunities above 668 levels, and it would be advisable to keep the position size less than their normal size, as it would be a counter trend trade if we were to look for HDFC Life to break to the upside. Our next stock is Jubilant Ingrea. The symbol name is Jubilant, GREA. So it has formed an uptrend. It was a recent listing, and it is in an uptrend, and we formed an inside candlestick on Friday. So above 662.1, we look for buying opportunity in Jubilant Ingrea. This is a stock which business is specialty chemicals. Our next stock is JSL Hisar. It's in an uptrend based on exponential moving averages, and we look for buying opportunity above 274.9 levels in JSL Hisar. Our final stock for Monday is going to be SBI Card. It's in a downtrend based on exponential moving averages 5 and 20. However, it formed an inside candlestick on Friday, so above 962, one can establish a counter trend long trade as well, with half their position size, as it would be an aggressive trade for aggressive traders, as it is counter trend. However, for conservative traders, those who trade in direction of the overall trend, they can look for selling opportunity below 937 levels. And I like to inform you that I would also be sharing a stock watch list which comprises of technically weaker stocks. So do check them out on my blog, which I would be sharing on Twitter as well as our WhatsApp group. So do stay tuned for that as well. Finally, before ending this video, I like to summarize that above 15,856 we can trade towards 15,979 levels, and below 15,791 level we can potentially trade towards 15,688 levels on the index. And broadly speaking, we are in a range of 16,000 to 15,500 based on overall open interest data, and the max pain has remained at 15,800 for the monthly expiry contract. And our stock watch list for Monday comprises of stocks that are formed in inside candlestick pattern on the daily time frame. The stocks are JSL Hisar, HDFC Life, Jubilant Ingrea. It's a specialty chemical stock, and its symbol is JUBLINGREA. Next stock is SBI Card. And I like to thank you all for watching this video. Do hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to Digital Trading Flow YouTube channel. Thank you.